Hello everybody and welcome to my screen. So this is the first weekly outlook of this my channel. The new week is about to start, so this is what I'm looking out for the coming week. As you all know, I trade only majors. And I use DSY majorly for my analysis, as DSY plays an important role for my trading decisions. So for that reason, we are going to start with DSY. Then let's go over to the higher time frame. This is the monthly. I usually start from the monthly. As you can see, price is currently sitting at a major support zone, which is here, here, and here, and it's currently forming a double bottom on the monthly chart, as you can see. Then zooming in a little bit, this is the double bottom that price is currently forming on that strong resistance turn support. So now this is what the monthly is telling us. Then let's go over to the weekly time frame. For the weekly time frame, as you can see already, the market has bounced off, just a small bounce off of the zone, a little bounce, but the bounce in my own view is not enough. The bounce is not bouncing. So I'm expecting price to come back down. It's on the daily that you see it better. Then this is the daily charts. I'm expecting price, and as you can see, this is a resistance here. Last week was pretty choppy upon the NFP, CPI, and PPI numbers. Still, DSY hasn't or doesn't want to choose a particular side. He wants to go either to the up, or to the downside. So this week I'm expecting price to have a downward push on DSY, because that bounce off on the weekly chart is not enough in my opinion. And looking at the way the last weekly candle closed, let's zoom in. Is this a doji? I don't know the name of this candlestick pattern, but it's looking like a doji candle or a shooting star. I don't know, but that candle formation is signaling a sell. And looking at the daily time frame, and you all know I do my entries on the daily. So looking at the daily, the pattern it is forming, this consolidation, there's a pattern it is forming over there. The pattern there is signaling a sell. So how are we going to take opportunity? How are we going to make use of this opportunity? Sorry, by waiting for a bearish candle close. This is how I do my entries. Once I see a very strong daily candle, bearish candle that closes very bearish, I'm going to be entering this trade. Like for example, watch this price action here. You see that there's something similar about it, and I traded this one on Euro USD. Unfortunately, there was no evidence here, because this is my first video in my YouTube channel. So if you watch here, this is a similar pattern that is still repeating itself in this current place. Now watch the two pattern. Is identical, this one and this one. So it's the same way I took opportunity of this one, that is the same way I'm going to take opportunity of this. Although I'm already long Euro USD. Sorry, I had an early entry on NFP last 2 weeks. So it is what it is. What I'm watching out for is something like this bearish candle close, this one in particular. If I can see a daily candle close like this here, this candle close, if it closes like this here, then that will be a signal for my entry. So that's it. I'm expecting a downward push on DSY. Then, as you already know, whatever happens on DSY, we trade on other pairs, and DSY, we already confirmed that we are waiting for a downward push. So in that note, I told you guys I'm already long Euro USD. I picked up long on NFP day, and since then the market has been consolidating. So as I have already forecasted that DSY is going to sell, so that's why I'm in on Euro USD longs. Remember my style of trading, I trade DSY on other pairs. That's why I trade only majors. Whatever, like for instance, I see that DSY is going to sell here, so I'll go and look out for other majors like Euro USD, GP USD, USD CHF, and the rest to see the one that the price action confirms to opposite of what DSY is saying. Like for example, USD CHF, you see USD CHF is still in a resistance, a support turn resistance. But I don't like the price action of this USD CHF because the pip count is not much. I prefer USD CAD's price action to that USD CHF or even AUD USD. AUD USD. This is another pair I'm also watching out for to add to my Euro USD buys. So why am I watching out for this AUD USD to add to my Euro USD buys is because coming to the monthly time frame. Let's start from the monthly. Let me delete all these things so that my chart will be a little bit clean and nice and sharp. Coming to the monthly, as you can see, we have a support here, here, and price and this one is also a support. Yes, you can also term this one support. Then we have another support here also, here, here, and price broke it and retested here. Let me zoom in so that you can see it properly. And retested here. This on the monthly. Then price again came and broke it and retested it and shot all the way to the upside. Come back again, touched it, broke it and retested. So this is a very strong area, this level. So, and looking at the way the last month candle, December candle closed, it closed very, very bullish. So what I'm expecting this monthly chart now, that is this monthly candle, that this January's candle to come and leave a weak rejection. Just like the way it did here. It left weak rejection. So this red candle now you are seeing, don't be deceived. This red candle is coming to drop weak rejection just like it did here and shoot all the way to the upside to at least come here. Looking at these two very greenish candle, this one is it closed very bullish. Then this one also closed very bullish. So I'm expecting this one also to leave a wick and shoot to the upside to at least come and test this strong level here. So that's it for the weekly. Going to the for the monthly, sorry, going to the weekly. How are we going to take opportunity of this? How are we going to make use of this opportunity? Let me see if there's any trend line that we okay. This one is not yet relevant, so I'll delete it. So this one okay. And if you notice, there's a minor zone here. There's a minor zone here. Let's zoom in. There's a minor zone here. Look, watch here. This is a zone, and also here. And price is currently retesting on that zone, the weekly. And if you watch the 2 weeks candle, you see that it is leaving something like a weak rejection. Watch the pattern there. Then let's go over to the daily. So look at the level on the daily. That's here and here. So and watch the pattern it is printing, similar to DSY's pattern is in a range. So how will I take opportunity of this? How will I make use of this opportunity? Simply the same pattern, sorry. I will wait for a bullish daily candle close. A bullish daily candle close. Something like this, a bullish, yes, something like this, the bullish candle close here. This one. That's what I'll be expecting for me to enter this trade. Then if I can see that bullish candle close here, Then I'll enter at the close of the candle, and my stop losses will be below this low. Of course, my first level target will be this 100% retracement. Then my overall target will be this zone. So that's all for the coming weeks. Thank you very much.